Hello everyone, Muru here, wishing you a happy day. Today I'm here to show you how you can scan your documents using your mobile phone. If you're wondering why can't I use my camera app on my phone to take a photograph, these are some of the common problems in capturing mobile photos. Firstly, the photo does cover up a larger area along with the document, and you may need to crop the image. Many the times, you see problems like tilted angles, shades in the document, an uneven surface, etc., which requires post processing of the image to make good use of it. So, with the help of the right apps, you can avoid all the post processing or editing of the scanned image. Let us see how it works. The app I am going to show you is Adobe Scan. This app will work on either an Android phone or an iPhone. Today I have an Android, so I am going to show you how you can do it on an Android phone. However, the iPhone interface is almost similar or identical to the Android's interface. So if you have an iPhone, you will be able to follow up along. Well, I'm on my phone here, and the first thing is to get the app on your phone. And to do that on an Android phone, you need to head to the Play Store. On an iPhone, you shall go to the App Store, search for Adobe Scan, and you will see the top listing is the app we need. If you don't have the app installed already on your phone, you could go ahead and click install. It doesn't cost anything and it's a free app. In my case, I have already put the app on my phone, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. So when you open the app, it automatically lands in the scanning mode, and you can see like Adobe has this fantastic auto capture feature built in that can intelligently recognize the document borders. You can see the app recognizes a document with blue borders and automatically adjusts to fit it. When the auto capture is on, it will automatically click the shot when the document position is found stable. You can click continue to accept it, or you can click retake to take a newer picture. You can see here there is an auto capture toggle button, so you can always turn it off and on. So when the auto capture is off, you have to manually click the document, and all the positioning and cropping of the document is automatically taken care by Adobe in this case as well. So on the bottom, you can see there are different options for the document types. So namely like a whiteboard, form, document, and business card. So each of these document types are for specific purpose. For example, if you scan a business card, the app automatically can recognize the fields and it can extract the contact information from the business card automatically. So you can also open images from your app phone gallery into the application. This means like it is not necessary that you have to always take a photograph. You can just browse your images and then select an image from your phone gallery which you already have. So this way the image gets imported into the same document that you need, and you can keep adding pages like this. Select another photo and then select one from the gallery. So this helps you to add multiple pages that you already have from your photo gallery. All right, let us look at a few more features we have. Click on the home button up here on the left corner, and it takes you to the document gallery. So here I have all the documents that I have previously scanned, and you have the options to share your document in different ways. So if you click on the sharing options, you can share a copy on your email, or your can share a link to the document, or share a copy on WhatsApp or any other sharing options that you have on your phone. You also have an option to create folders and organize your files for easy access here on the right hand corner, and you can rename a file. So this allows you to rename a file. You can save it as a JPEG. So this will save your file as a JPEG. You can also upload a copy of your file into your Google Drive with this option. So or you can also use a OneDrive, and you can download a copy to your phone storage if required. So you can click on copy to device to download a file to your phone storage. So once you click open the file, you have the same sharing options here, sharing and printing options. But in addition to this, you also have the document editing options available. So when you click on modify, you can see all the document editing options here. So I have opened my document here, and then I have all the pages in my document visible. So now you can do all the editing options here. So I can click an add page to add a new page to this document. I can take a new photograph, or I can select from the existing photograph that is already there in my phone. If you want to reorder pages, I can do that. Click on the reorder page and then click and drag the page to a different location. So in this way, it allows you to reorder your pages that you already have in the document. And then you can also do a crop. I can also use this auto detect feature to automatically detect, or I can say no crop. It will use the full image. I can also rotate my document. So this will help me to adjust the borders from the original photograph and then crop it properly. And then rotate will allow me to rotate the entire page. And then there are different coloring options, like from original to auto color to grayscale. So you can use any of those options here, and it automatically converts your document to that particular color specification. And you can also resize your pages, so it almost supports all the page sizes, the standard page sizes. And you can see at the bottom that it supports A4, landscape, and all the standard page sizes. So with all these editing options, you can create your document easily, and then finally save document as a PDF. So with all these features in place, this is how you can easily scan your documents and maintain your document library with Adobe Scan. There are a few more apps like this that you can use as alternatives to Adobe Scan. Microsoft Lens is one such app that I would recommend for you to try. It has almost all the same features I explained here. Well, thanks for watching. Hope this video was useful and informative. Check out my other videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.